What's up, guys? Welcome to the channel. Today I am going to be debroing the back end of my truck, and what I mean by that are these horrendous taillights that came on the truck when I got the truck. So they're not extremely bad, but they are. So here's why. One, the brake lights are kind of built in, tiny little, very weak LEDs. You can see here the clear coat has faded and it's just so sun damaged that it's turned yellow. And then of course the turn signal is the old incandescent bulb. The reverse bulb, however, you swapped out already, so that's nice and bright, but the yellow film that's on it from the sun is causing kind of a slight diminish of the light output on that. So our solution is swapping out the tail light completely. So I really like the OEM red look. So that's the look I'm going for. But this one is actually from the slightly newer generation. So what I mean by that is this section here is more square, and so is down here. You can really see it from back here. So you can see that how it protrudes out a little bit. So the newer the newer years get those taillights, where this one is nice and flat. There's really nothing to it, which gives it a more old school look, in my opinion. But since we are going to be swapping out the taillights, we're going to be putting these guys right here. This one is going to be the turn signals. As you can see, there are 1, 2, 3, 4 sides of a bunch of amber LEDs. On top, there's a fan. This is going to be just a regular plug and play, none to it, super easy. And then this guy over here, this is the red. So this is going to be the brake light. Same exact bulb and easy install, but one is just red and the other one is amber, because the top is the brake, the middle is turn signal, and then the bottom is going to be reverse. So I'm actually going to flip these on to show you what it looks like with these new bulbs in comparison to the other. All right, so Gabe's going to assist me. He's going to flip on the headlights. So this is the normal running light on the new side, and these are the super small LEDs that are only bright if you're looking straight at it. Okay, go ahead and Gabe, step on the brakes for me. Look at that. Super bright. Not too bad, but again, you can only see it if you're straight in the back. Can you put on the hazards for me? So we're going to hop over here. So this is the incandescent bulb, and this is the new Morimoto turn signals. So on pretty much every vehicle, installing bulbs is super easy. On the Tundra, there's 2 T30 bolts on here. Pull those out and you can pull it away from the vehicle. You don't pull it straight back, you pull it to the side, and then you just twist, pull out, twist, pull out to all of them. This one, since it has built-in LEDs, has a connector going inside of it. So just to plug it, there you have it. Under, I don't know, 15 seconds, you have the whole thing out. And like I mentioned, I previously installed these reverse lights, LED reverse lights in them. And then I'm not sure if you can see this, but this incandescent bulb is no longer yellow. It's half yellow, it's half flaking. So we're gonna take that off. Put the turn signals on. Install the brake. And then plug it right in. Line it up and then twist it. Super easy. Once you have installed everything back in, line up these pins, there's 2 of them, to the holes on the vehicle. Since these hardware that I took off is pretty rusted, I'm going to be installing slightly, well, not slightly, brand new ones that I got. These are just an M6, so super easy to find pretty much anywhere, and start them by hand. And since these are into a plastic housing tail light, you don't really need to go super tight with them, just enough, and that's it, you're done. That is pretty much it. Super easy, and now the truck looks somewhat newer than it did before, a little bit more modern with these slightly newer tail lights that are factories. So hopefully you guys enjoy the video. I'm gonna enjoy these lights a lot more than the old ones, especially being how bright they are. Everybody behind me is going to see me, especially when I'm trying to change lanes or brake. So I'm going to have the links to these products down in the description if you want to check them out, but that's going to be it. Hopefully you are subscribed. If not, do so, and we'll see you guys in another video.